to Lottie. So today's video is a shopping haul. I have brought some products from a website called Yours Clothing, and I also picked up 2 items from Crossroads. So I thought I'd just show you guys what I got on my shopping spree. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change your notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. Okay, so first up, I picked 2 items up from Crossroads. I just went there to get myself some pants and they had a sale on. So I picked up this dress here. So it's got like these little details on the straps, and it's quite cute around the bust. And it is probably a knee length dress. So I'll probably try this on with some pants on underneath just so you guys can see how short it actually is. I would probably wear leggings with it anyway. So I love this one as well. I'm not a fan on the length. I prefer my items longer. So I've just popped some leggings on underneath. And then I've just got a jacket on to cover my arms, but it's got cute details on the straps. I really like how it comes in on the bust and this cute little detail. I really like it. What do you guys think of this one? Okay, so the next product I picked up from Crossroads is a long sleeve top. So it's just a cute patterned top with, the long sleeves that go out bigger on the ends, and it sits around your shoulders nicely, so no straps. Let's try this one on. So I really like this one. I think it's super cute. Really do like it. Love this pattern. I love that it comes off the shoulders, so really nice. It's lower in the back than the front. Has the flary arms, which is really cute. So I really love this one. So those were my 2 products that I picked up from Crossroads. I just thought I would add them into this video because I don't really have any other clothing that I'm purchasing. So I thought I'd put it in this clothing haul. So the rest of the products I got from a website called Yours Clothing. I think they go up to size 36 they go up to. So it is a plus size clothing store. They start at size 16. They are based in the UK. I have brought from this site before. I tend to purchase a lot of my tops from there, just because I find the fit to be a lot better from them. And I can also get a few sizes up to be able to have that oversized shirt look rather than having to get like the biggest size in the stores. And not be able to get an oversized shirt here. So everything that I brought is on sale. The Crossroads items, I think I paid like $25 for them in total. So I think one was $15 and one was $10. And the rest of these products, I think I paid about $70 for everything. So I'll go through and show you guys what I got. So I picked up this limited edition shirt from them. So it is ribbed all the way through. It is long sleeve. It's nice and stretchy. And it's got the raw edges, which I think is really nice detail. So it's just meant to be, like a cute shirt that I can wear going out during winter. So I really like that one. Okay, so the next product I got was a skirt. So it's like probably a midi length. So it's probably going to go halfway up my calf. So it's not full length, but it's not short either. But it has this cute detail on the side to ruche it up. So really cute. It's just black. It's meant to be a little bit high-waisted as well, so I can wear it with some high-waisted items. Okay, so this one shows every lump and bump, but I really like it still. Really cute shirt, and the skirt can be brought up a bit. I can pull it up higher if I wanted to make it like high-waisted, so I can bring it up. But I really like these colours together. So yeah, I do like this outfit actually. Just pull that down a bit. So the next item I got was this red jumper. So it's like a jumper t-shirt, but it has this really cute detail on the back. So there. So I have one like this already in a different color and I absolutely love them. I use these with leggings and it's just really nice. I do put a singlet on underneath because it is like thin, it's not super thick, but then it's warm enough for me to also wear like out in a little bit of wind as well. Okay, let's try it on. So really excited about this one. Red is my favorite color, and I really like this fit of this jumper, so very happy with this one. Really cute. Love the color on me. What do you guys think? So the next product I got is this cute little slogan shirt, and it says "You do you." So it's just cute, long sleeve. It's got black detailed collar and then gold "You do you" on the front. So I thought that'd just be really cute, just like a casual weekend outfit. Absolutely love this one. You do you. Just think this one's really cute, nice and flowy, good for casual wear. So I really like it. Love the sleeve length. Can see myself going to the park with the girls in this one. Alright, the next one I got is just this long sleeve shirt here. It does come in down the bottom, so it's like a bubble shirt, which I really like. So this was on sale again. So really nice shirt to just be wearing around. Again, long sleeves. So again, really love this color on me. Really like the shirt as well, fits really nice and oversized like I wanted it. So yeah, really love this one, the bubble top. Next up is this orange shirt. Again, long sleeves. I really like the sleeves on this. It's like the bubble sleeves. So oversized, doesn't have anything on the front, and it's just a really cute everyday t-shirt that I could wear. So again, I love this one. I actually really like the color of this t-shirt. It's nice and oversized, so I can wear leggings with it. It's got a decent arm length on it. So I really like this. I think it would be really cute paired with some neutral eyes. Okay, and the lucky last item is again another one of these jumpers. It is really cute with the detail on the back again. So I really love these jumpers. As I said, I've got one in a different color and I wear it quite a bit. So yeah, I thought I would get that. So I really like this jumper. I really like how it's nice and big, got heaps of room to move in it. It's nice and warm. It's got the cute details on the back, so it looks really nice going out as well. And I've just popped a singlet on underneath and paired it with some leggings. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!